Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications in Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a secure privacy-focused email platform, meaning your emails are encrypted and private. Notifications let you stay updated on incoming emails in real time, so you never miss important messages, and you can enable notifications for your new email, contact folders or the label, and notifications can be customized to suit your workflow without compromising privacy. So first you need to open any of the web browser that you prefer. In the top you can find this address bar, type down proton.me and enter it. And once you get into this interface, click onto the sign in the top right corner, and over here you need to go to this mail, and under this mail we can find to this all setting in the top right corner, or you can simply go to this small gear icon over here and go to this all setting. Over here on the left hand side we can find this Proton Mail and select for this messages and composition. Over here under this general, that we can find this daily email and notifications from the Proton Mail. Simply toggle on this icon and you will get this daily email notification from the Proton Mail as well, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to enable notifications on Proton Mail. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.